Hello. Hello, hello, hello. It is my face again. Bet you're sick of this face by now. I have a little unboxing-y thing to do. So I made a very good friend recently, called Olivia and Co. from the Starlight system. And they have been just the best humans and have sent me a little parcel. And I already opened one because it came in 2 parcels and I got too excited. So I already opened one, and then the second one we picked up from the post office just now, and then I like ripped it open in excitement and then closed my eyes and was like, no way, I've got to do an unboxing video. So I didn't see. No, didn't see. So in the first box, it's all like witchy and Wicca and just like nice things. First we have this one. How to use a pendulum. It is in mirror in my camera, but I don't know if it's like normal for you, but it says how to use a pendulum. And yes, it is beautiful. It's a little like set, so it comes in like this lovely little box. I know. I'm so graceful. So it comes with pendulum, this beautiful thing. Oh. It's a very golden theme to this video, I seem. Be like a makeup artist. Focus. Yeah. Beautiful. So it comes with that. And it comes with this chart thing. Oh, now why won't you focus on me? Oh, hello. That has lots of different things on it for you to use your pendulum with. I'm gonna put this down because it's swinging all over the place. And then you got a book as well that I've had a little bit of a read of that teaches you what to do, and that's amazing. Like, it's so nice. Like, it's such a lovely little set that you get everything in it to learn how to do it properly, and they like proper teach you like how to hold it, how to do it all. It's great. So that I'm very excited to learn how to use that one. I showed Nadia from Dissociated, and they were both, Nadia and Chloe, were very excited about that as well. And yeah, so we have this parcel, so you can see where I ripped it open and then just like closed it, desperate not to see. It's from Amazon now. Yes. And I don't know, I guess I should just open it. Don't really know how to do unboxing videos. So this is the first thing that I saw in here, and it is the Divine Feminine Oracle 53 deck and 53 card deck and guidebook for embodying love. What? That's stunning. It's like a tarot deck, but not like the full tarot deck. This one's only got 53 cards, so it's smaller and easier apparently. And then we also have this, whatever this is. There's like, it's like something inside that's like rattling around. So exciting. Oh, we got some paper here, so I'm just gonna have a, this is what just that receipts. It says, enjoy your gift. This isn't like normal tarot decks, so you might want to do some googling before you use it. From the Starlight system. Yay! So let's find out what this is. Like, I'm so lucky to be sent this by them. Like, literally, they just wanted to send us stuff to get us started on our Wicca journey properly, and I'm the luckiest. look. So first it's like a lovely bag with harmonize. Yes, that is gorgeous for like holding your secrets in. Whoa! Let's have a look. Whoa! Oh. So it's another pendulum. This one is brass. Oh, but it's unscrewing. Oh, this is exciting. Whoa! Oh, okay, look, it's got like a space so you can put a crystal inside for whatever you want to use it for, I'm assuming. But that is stunning. I love that. The fact that it has a little gap in it. And it's got like, I don't know if it will focus. It has like a little thing on the end as well. Oh, so pretty. What? That's so lovely. Like literally. Oh wait, no. Don't want to lose the message. Don't want to lose the message. Look what we got. We got such a little kit today. So yay! Focus on my face now. Oh god. Yeah, that's so good. We have our altar just under our window, so you may have seen it in pictures or Instagram posts or whatever. I'm actually planning on like revamping it up. Now we've got some new things to include and things to incorporate into it, and I love it all so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much to Starlight System. I'm gonna leave their links and stuff in the description because they are so good, amazing people. Big shout out to Kimmy and me from their system actually, because they were very excited for this unboxing video. I hope it was okay. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little Wicca unboxing video thing. Yeah. Bye!